my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I missed you guys so much. For those who are new to this space, hello, I'm Gorgeous Girl and I'm about to beat this face up, so stay tuned. Today we are going to start off with the eyes. I'm already done with one. As you can see, I have incorporated all the colors from the Instagram logo and I'm going to do the same with my other eye as well. We are going to work with light colors, so just to give those colors their true intensity, I am prepping my eyes with NYX Jumbo Pencil in the shade called Milk. Blending that with my PAC mini blender and setting it with some loose powder. You really need to do this step carefully, otherwise your eyeshadow is going to appear patchy, and trust me, nobody wants that. For this look, NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette in Brights is going to be our best friend. First, I'm taking this bright pink shade as my transition color and blending it. This look is inspired by Instagram logo, so keeping a reference picture handy will always help you. Then taking this red color just to intensify the crease a bit more. For the outer corners, taking these two blue shades and blending it. I'm continuously keeping an eye on my reference picture, taking that same blue shade or to smoke out my lower lash line too. I really like to smoke out my lower lash line heavily. It just makes your eyes dreamy, I feel. Previously, I used to apply shadows on my lower lash line with a very light hand, but this technique has actually changed my whole makeup game.
Pressure, temperature.
Now time to cut that crease, baby. For that, I'm taking my Maybelline Dream Lumi Touch Concealer. This one actually comes with a brush tip, so it just made my life easy. But if you don't have this one, you can totally use some regular concealer with a small brush. As I always say, cut your crease with your eyes open. That way you will get the perfect crease.
It won't be just one gravity.
Happy with the same, going to blend the edges with that same blue shade which I have applied on the outer corner of my eyes. Taking that same pink which I have used on my crease to create a nice gradient just like the Instagram logo. Make sure there is no harsh lines between the colors, because if you see the logo carefully, you will notice that it has a watercolor like feel. All the colors are blending nicely with each other. Then applying these two yellow shades to complete the gradient, using it on my inner corners too. For my lower waterline, I'm taking this Maybelline New York Lasting Drama Waterproof Gel Pencil. Whew, that's a bit of mouthful. In the shade called Lustrous Sapphire. It's a beautiful bright blue shade, but the only problem with this pencil is it's very soft. Whenever I sharpen the tip, it breaks. That way I ended up wasting so much product, which I really don't like. Does this happen with you guys too? Let me know in the comment box below. For my upper lash line, taking Nykaa Beauty's I Am 24/7 Kajal, which is black, of course. Now I'm drawing my wings with a black felt tip liner, which is from Revlon. Time for some mascara, and for that I'm taking Maybelline Hypercurl mascara. You know me guys, I cannot live without this one. And for my lower lashes, I'm going to coat them with Lakme Hypercurl mascara in the blue shade. The reason I have coated the lashes with the black one first, because that way it is going to give me fuller lashes. Applying falsies on camera for a change, and I'm struggling, you can see that, but I'm getting better at this guys, trust me. For the highlighter, I'm going to use this yellow golden shade from NYX Pro Filter palette. Yes, I'm going to use it as brow bone and my face highlighter too.
In addition to registering measuring pressure, temperature, currents and so on, and transmitting the readings to the surface.
Quickly doing my brows with Colorbar Stunning Brow Pencil in the shade called Chestnut.
To start the manned descent at sunrise. Gravity.
For face, I'm using L'Oreal Matte Magique Foundation. This one is my all-time favorite. So matte, so full coverage and really affordable. Oily skin beauties, do give it a try and you won't be disappointed. For concealer, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, just concealing my under eye area, not the other parts of my face, because in this case we don't need that. Setting the whole face with some loose powder. At this point, I felt my cut crease needs some more vibrancy, so just patting a matte white eyeshadow. As you know me, I always do back and forth because makeup is fun and you can always play with it just the way you want. For my contouring, I'm taking those same colors from that same NYX Ultimate Shadow palette, just mixing all the colors. Nothing to explain here, just watch the video and you will get it. Blush, I'm taking NYX Sweet Cheeks palette and mixing these two pinks. Contouring my nose with that same pink shades. And as I promised, for my highlighter, taking that same golden eyeshadow. I'm repeating that same step, so going to fast forward it super quick. Now to paint the hearts, taking this red and white colors from my Kryolan Aqua paint palette with the help of a small tip brush, carefully drawing the notification icons. These are water activated body paints, but if you don't have them, you can totally use a matte liquid lipstick and a white eyeliner. The 5 number, but as you can see, I drew it wrong. I have to do it flip sided so that it looks proper on the camera, so keep that in mind whenever you are drawing some fonts or you're writing something on yourself. After everything, I just felt that I need to add this dot just to connect everything. Applying some shadow on my chin as well. For lips, I wanted to keep them mute, so applying these two shades from NYX Cosmic Metals. If you want to know the exact shades, check out my description box. Everything will be mentioned there as always. And with that, my look is complete. Absolutely love the way it has turned out. For the bloggers like us, social media acceptance is a crucial part of our lives. So this was my way to replicating that thought. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.